MAC HVAC Service and Repair offers professional gas heating services in Pottstown, PA, providing reliable and efficient solutions for homes and businesses. Our experienced technicians handle installation, repair, maintenance, and replacement of gas heating systems to ensure safe and consistent performance. Whether your system needs routine service, troubleshooting, or a full upgrade, we deliver prompt and dependable results. Gas heating systems are known for their efficiency and cost-effectiveness, and we work to keep yours operating at peak performance. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for expert gas heating services in Pottstown, PA, and enjoy dependable warmth all season long. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for gas heating services near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides gas heating services in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional gas heating services in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses seeking reliable and efficient heating solutions. Gas heating systems, including furnaces and boilers, are known for their powerful performance and cost-effective operation during cold Pennsylvania winters. What services are included in gas heating services? Gas heating services in Pottstown, PA include installation, repair, maintenance, and system replacement for gas-powered heating systems. MAC HVAC Service and Repair offers comprehensive services tailored to meet the needs of each property. What is your gas heating services in Pottstown, PA? Our gas heating services has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parkerford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://peachmashvatz.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.